Hi friends, welcome to this course. My name is Sanjay and I have more than 15 years of IT experience. I have very good experience in APIs, microservices, enterprise service bus, SOA, service-oriented architecture, Java, Spring, and other related technologies and concepts. On internet, you will find a lot of things on APIs in bits and pieces. Lot of tutorials and course materials are there which talk on APIs in bits and pieces. But you'll not get any course on tutorial on end-to-end API implementation and its related concepts. Things like API analysis, design, development, testing, security, API management. You'll not find any end-to-end course or study material on all these concepts together. That's why I thought of building this course in which I bring and talk about all these API related concepts together and present them to you in a live project environment. So that's why this course is there, and it's very beneficial for you if you study this course. So in this course, what are we going to cover? We will cover a lot of background initially. So we will start with APIs and then we will move to REST APIs, how they originated and how they evolved. Then we will look into API design and some of the APIs design best practices like versioning, error handling, using nouns and verbs, and how they all help in the API design. Then we will build our own design for our use case. We will then document the API design using Swagger or OpenAPI 3.0. We will be using SpringBoot for REST API implementation because SpringBoot is very well suited for rapid application development. It is not mandatory to know SpringBoot, but if you know Spring or SpringBoot, it will be very helpful to you in following these steps, but it's not mandatory. Then we will cover some of the important non-functional requirements of API or, for that matter, any project. So some important non-functional requirements like aspects like error handling, logging, tracing, configuration property management, those kind of things. And I'll be doing live coding in this course, so you can follow these steps very easily. I will also keep on checking my code into my GitHub repo, and I'll follow some of the appropriate or the best practices around version control system like branching, merging the pull request and those kind of things. So if my code will be there in my Git repo, so you can check out the code from these branches in case you are stuck in any of these steps. We will also look at some of the important security concepts like authentication, authorization, single sign-on using JWT, and we'll see how to secure and implement these aspects, security aspects in our APIs. We will be also writing exhaustive test cases. We will write unit tests. We will write integration tests, because for any effective CI, if writing unit test cases and integration test cases and a good suite of tests is very important, because just having a CI tool like Jenkins or Circle CI is not enough. Then we will look at our database analysis and design. We will create our own tables, and then we will have various relationships between these tables, and we will look at handling these relationships using JPA and Hibernate. And we will expose our APIs using ngrok on internet so that our APIs are discoverable by Apigee API Management Platform. Apigee is a product from Google, and it has a very good market share in the API market. And we will look at APIs management platform and see how we can expose and manage our APIs on this platform, and we'll explore some of the other features of Apigee. So yeah, that's all I have to say. We have a lot of ground to cover in this course, and I hope you have a very good learning from this course. And yeah, let's get going. Thanks and all the best. See you in the lectures. Thanks and goodbye.